Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. That's something that I really need in my life because I always kind of like do my makeup the last, so I never have time for this. And I will put my alarm. Through this video I'm not gonna be talking about any products. I'm gonna talk about all the products at the end. I'm just gonna be focusing on this 5 minutes that I have. And we can start. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, let's do it. Okay, click. Start. Okay, maybe I will talk a little bit because it's kind of weird to not talk. Doing foundation, just a tiny bit because I don't need much right now. And I need to put my phone right here so I can see how much time I have. Okay, already 40 seconds. Wow, this is kind of like, it kind of flew by. Okay, just a little foundation. Little foundation. Oopsie. Blending, even though we're in a rush, we need to make sure it's blended. Okay, but that's why we used little foundation. Concealer, just for my under eyes. And I'm gonna let this sit for a second. Okay, maybe for some other spots on my face. Let this sit for a second. While this is sitting here, I'm gonna brush up my brows with this tinted brow gel. This is what I love to use for like a quick on the go because it still gives a little bit of coverage, not coverage, a little bit of shade. Okay, let's do this now. Okay, I have 3 more minutes. Not bad. Blending my concealer. Blush, cream blush. Setting with my setting powder. Just like all over my face. Okay. Let's do mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. So much pressure. 156. I'm wasting way too much time on this mascara. Okay. Oops, let's do a bronzer. This is gonna fit. Wow, so quick. And lips. This is the new Jouer lip enhancers. This is in shade Rose. Oh, I have 19 more seconds, people. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, now I'm like surprised because I have time. So I'll just highlight. Let's highlight. Now I'm like, why didn't I just take some more time? Oopsie. Brush my nose. Blend that highlight. Wow, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised with this 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm kind of done. Am I done? Wow, did I do it like before the time? Oh my god. Let's fix my brows a little. I I kind of finished this challenge before I thought I will. Huh. Interesting. Oh, maybe I could have done my eyes. Let's do, I mean, now this is gonna get messed up. Let's just do one of these Mercier sticks. Sticks. Eto na. Okay, now it's done. Stop. Okay, so I guess this was not as hard as I thought it's gonna be. This is the final look. Let me just walk you through now what I did. Before I started with this, I moisturized my skin. I put a serum, I put an eye cream. Then I reached for this foundation. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, and I really like this foundation because it's light and the shade is definitely like really similar to my skin tone, and it's not heavy, so even if I didn't blend everything properly, you wouldn't notice it that much. This is the KKW concealer number 3. I'm just blown away by these concealers. The undertones. The shade number 3 has like a little pinky undertone, so that's why I chose it for my under eyes, so it kind of like cancels out the discoloration. I just love a multi-use product. This is the Stila Lip and Cheek Duo. This is in shade Peony. And then I use this bronzer from Benefit. It's just like a nice Hula from Benefit. It's just like a nice neutral bronzer. And I use this Jouer, this new lip enhancer in shade Rose. I was kind of thinking applying this on my cheeks also, but I was like, let me try to do a blush for blush. And then I use this mascara, which is from L'Oreal. I don't know if you noticed that I did this. It's because when I opened it, I noticed that the brush, has a lot of product. It's like a lot of product. So sometimes when you see that your lashes are like clunky, it's just because the mascara has too much product on it. So that's why I kind of put it here. It is wasting product. So if I wasn't like on a time crunch, I would probably just, you know, do this and then I wouldn't waste it that way, but now I'm just gonna have to wipe this off. And I did my brows. So I didn't really do my brows, but I just did a brow gel from CoverGirl. So basically for a super quick look, you need to even out your base, which is a foundation. You need to put some blush and some bronzer to kind of bring life back into your face. And I did use a highlighter, which was, did I use this? Yeah, I used this Jouer Molten Glow. I added a tiny bit of this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier called Blossom. Concealer from KKW. When I was applying my concealer, I put it before and then I went to brush my brows. I put it under my eyes so it kind of sets even more, versus if I blend it right away, it would kind of disappear, if that makes sense. This lip enhancer from Jouer and brow gel, tinted brow gel, and this setting powder. And I guess that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. It was kind of short. In the end, you get all of the explanations, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And yes, I'm wearing a bathrobe because that's what I usually wear right after I get out of a shower. Thanks. Bye. Talk to you soon. Let's see how blended this all is. Okay.